Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Granbury, Texas, where we're about to start clearing out the area on our Granbury project. And as you can see, during the rainy season, we have water. So first thing we did was create our batter board, and we shot our elevations. What do we shoot our elevations on? We shoot our elevations on a benchmark. When you actually are ready to build, they'll mark your areas with benchmarks, and those benchmarks will give you a perfect elevation to start from. And you will be able to see this one. This lot is sloping, and the number one problem is to make sure that all this water does not, from this lot, does not roll into the neighbor. So that's very important. So we have a sweat plan, which is that black material that runs all the way down, and we're going to seal it. Let's get busy.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.